Oh, hey, 42. How are you doing? Welcome back. I'm just chilling today. Yeah, I've got some multiplayer working, but I spent some time refactoring everything, and because it was getting a bit clunky. Let's see, I should be able to start the server now. Okay, we got the server. I'm not sure if I re-enabled every piece of the code, because I had to comment things out. Yeah. It's not fully working. So the server just crashed. Guess I'm gonna have to run it through debugging and see what happens. Ah, that was weird. It's not crashing anymore. But it doesn't seem to be sending the data. So there is no data exchange between the two. Did I run it in server mode? Oh, okay, that's why. Okay, there are two clients now. Got to restart one. let's go with the server. And we now add the client. Wait, what happened? Okay. We got blocked here. Add the player. What's going on? Oh, resource is empty. Bro, what? Create system. Has it ever been created server? Oh, maybe that's something is missing. And global resources have not been created yet. Who's in charge of them? Global resources. Create buffers. Well, I guess we can move this out of here. Make sure we have the resources before everything else. Bro just got disconnected, but he didn't realize. By the way, how is still sending zeros? That's also not correct. Do we even get the position? So in the tick, okay, the tick. Or maybe first I don't know, should we do the physics first or not? Well, it depends on what we are doing. If it's a server, then it's gonna do the physics first. And if it's a client, it's gonna do it after. And the same happens here. Sequence is gonna be a bit different. The world's gonna tick. I don't know, after the server. Now the world's gonna tick before. No. Maybe after. I think that was fine. The world is just really rendering anyway. Okay, we got the player and it does a simulation. We're still in this uncertain situation where I'm not quite sure what's the order of the events. So when the physics happens in server mode, that is the true physics. But at the moment we are just doing quick and dirty. Not sure. The client does a tick. So when the client ticks, it's gonna try and send it on position. So we need to make sure it's got the updated player data. Well, let's just say that player position is going to be walled up. Camera position. Layer rotation. Let's see if we can find a good value for it. It's gonna be the camera. Okay, camera angles. We might need to do this where we have an actual view. So where do we compute the view? So this is the head rotation, okay. So we have something in head rotation and the update function. Okay, this is the viewpoint. No, wait. In the update. Bro, where's the update? Okay, in the world update. Okay. That's the view matrix. Can I cast it back to a quaternion? Let's see. So that is good. And maybe just to see. Turning cast from view. That work? That should work. Let's see if it compiles. And if it compiles, we're halfway through getting it working. I'm gonna make this const. Okay. So that's something. Now let's find out if we are actually sending useful data. Whoop, what happened there? So the server just got eliminated because we didn't check. Yeah, that's why. We didn't check if we are in server mode. And client doesn't exist in server mode, so easy math. We're not in server mode. Let's go with debugging. Oh boy. Okay, we're in the game. No, we are literally in the terrain. Okay, we're up. Cool. Now let's have a client participating to the game. Okay, it's sending useful data now. It's falling, and oh dear, we're 3 meters underground. Okay, let's fall again. Cool. And where is the server looking at? Let's go to the L blocks. And there we go. Okay, even rotating. We are rotating around. Yeah, we're rotating around the cube, which is not what we want. Yeah, that's really bad. But it's okay. It's okay, we can fix that. Close the client. Should make. Okay, I was wondering if it would have detected the disappearance of the client. We should probably make it a bit more graceful. Oh, nice. It is still not doing the correct world destroy. Destroyers of the worlds. So the world destroy is still struggling with what? The player. Player. So what is player? It's all this stuff. Player's got to stop. Player state. Yeah, it's got this character thing, and it's going out of existence there. So we need to destroy before we destroy the systems, right? Because the system will also get rid of the physics system. This should fix that issue. Let's full circle try to also connect the client. Client is coming. Yeah, it just landed abruptly. How big is this cube? Oh, is it? Yeah, it's underground. Okay, it is rotating. Let's fall again. Okay, we are now at eye level, let's say, but I don't see anybody else. So we should fix that. It's not nice to be ghosted. Partial block. Okay, there's something wrong with the client too. Okay, this I found out that disconnected. Now we can close. Oh dear. What's again? Buffer destroy. So it's leaking something. Some allocation were not freed before destruction. At the world destructor. And whose hold? Oh, damn. So this should not happen here then. Thanks, manager. Global resources should not be freed by the world. Chunks manager destroy. That is fine. All good. Now we shall do that here. global resources. Okay, these are just textures. Ah, that's the global texture in the global sampler. Not quite part of the world. It's global. So I'm gonna move this 2 in here. After global resources get created, then I wanna see staging buffers. Oh wait, need to create the buffers first then. Cool. That should also tidy things up a little bit more. See if we have forgot. Create a cube. Okay, now that's local. Then we do the flush. Do we need to flush before this? No. Do we even need to do this? Resources. Execute copy buffer. I don't even know that is needed. Oh, hello, Damon. That will be a day where I'm gonna ship it for real. And that's your day, man. That is your day. Wait, what? Why am I landing in a different place now? What the? Whatever. It's all good. Okay. Still. Destroy buffers. And why don't you like it? What's wrong with you? Destroy virtual block? Okay. Destroy buffers. At the end. Destroy. Okay, because there is still something alive. Who is that piece of code still alive? You can't be still alive in my game. So the world got destroyed. The cube... Oh, the cube did not get destroyed. Yeah, that's it. And maybe the player as well. Gonna be destroyed. But we need to make that happen. You just need to remove that from stuff. And oh wait, it's got a cube. Why do you have a cube? Cube. Oh, by the way, let's make sure we don't destroy it multiple times. JetBrain still running. Yeah, what's the matter with JetBrain? Okay. It's doing great. I mean, it was almost dying yesterday with all the errors. So the more errors it has, the more likely it's gonna crash. But with no errors, it's doing fine. What? Press square brackets. Together. Yeah, that happens. Maybe what is supposed to happen here? Yeah. There you go. Boom. Okay. How do I interpolate the rotational velocity? I should calculate it. Okay. Close this down and boom, still something. Garbage collect. What? What's wrong with you? Can't merge separate physical regions. What do you mean? What are you trying to free? A buffer? So does this buffer have a name? Chunks per object buffer? Okay, that is the buffer. Where is it coming from? Bro. Chunks per object buffer, okay. My get brains is still playing. Let's see, does it happen if I just run the server? And boom, close it. Okay, still, ooh, what? What? Dispatch, get data. The destructor. Why are you running the destructor now? On the main thread. What are you doing? There's no stuck trace. Just out of nowhere. Can you just like show me a STL strip? Okay, that doesn't help. Where are we? Disassemble? Get data. I have no idea. And that happens again. So solid color shader destructor. Solid color shader. Where is it used? Shaders. I thought everything was in shaders. Solid color. So we got one solid color. Wait. Oh, we don't have destroy shaders. Okay, that's why. Alright, that makes sense. Let's just get rid of these. Let's see, should I call destroy? How do they work? They just pop out of existence, I guess. There's no destroy shader. Okay, it just falls back to the parent. So just destroy them. No, let's reset. Yeah. And then go back to the application. And after the world is destroyed, the systems should be done. Shaders, destroy shaders. That should be a good place to do this. I need a cable. I'm gonna grab the Quest. So if I unplug the Quest, it's probably gonna break the webcam. I hope that doesn't happen. Okay, it didn't happen. That's cool. I need to plug my headphones. They are running out of battery. You hearing things? Yeah, I was hearing things. Yeah, there's something vibrating over there. I think it's my wife's phone. Yeah, it's an alarm. Nothing strange. I hate the sound of alarms. They are scary. it means that I have to stop programming because there's something to do. And that is scary. And imagine waking up every day and the whole world is waiting for you. With things to do. Okay. Cannot merge. Wow. Okay. At least on the server. Can we be... Oh, damn it. What's still wrong? Destroy the buffers. And then there's still someone using the buffers. And this time is the vertex buffer. Oh, who's using the vertex buffer? We destroyed the world. Not really. What do we have in the world? Oh wait, the player's cube. Was it destroyed? Let's try to run this again without any connection. I feel like the player's cube was never destroyed properly. It just disappeared. Okay, close. And that is as clean as it can get. I'm gonna blame it on the server. So when the guy goes out of scope, so we gotta disconnect. Oh, I see. We simply erase it. We need to remove player, add player, and then remove player. Client dot so first we do a client peer dot destroy, and then we can remove it. We can erase it. So this becomes remove layer. And let's not forget clean this up. It should be good to go now. At least on this side. Bro. I'm learning at the moment from tutorials and free courses how the creators create. C++ or C#. This is C++. Levinson. And Windows platforms. give me a client. And there it is. You go over there. Okay, you jump on that. And I'm gonna grab another client. Okay, you got 2 clients now. You can stay here on the muddy block. Okay, 2 clients, but they don't see one another. So that needs to be propagated. Now let's get rid of this guy. And it should disappear. Okay, you also can go. Okay, you didn't like it much. Abort it. Wait, what? So what's new? What's new? New is the netcode. That's new. What's new? Multiplayer. Well, if you can call that multiplayer, I would say sockets. We have a connection. There you go. That's the other player. That's the bare bone of multiplayer. So when I close this guy, okay, the client has leaks, and that's fine. But what about the server? Okay, it also has leaks. What's going on? So there's some garbage left from per object buffer. Per object buffer. Let's see if this also happens by just running the client. Okay, close it. Ah, I didn't see anything. Okay, let me just run it this way. Then I'm gonna touch it. Tracy, collecting all the allocations that happen in the game. Then close. So the allocation was in the per frame or per object? Chunks per object. Oh wait, 0 active allocations? You're kidding me. Staging buffer still has one. So where was it allocated? Bro, where is the window? Show me the code. Does it have the code? Source. Okay, source. So that happened here. In the world update, I guess. No, I need to instrument the new refactored code because that likely happens. Inside the update function. Okay, it's only the staging buffer now. Memory free event without matching, okay. Memory free without match. Okay. How do I detect that? Okay, let me change this and don't run it on external. Every time it closes the console, let's see what happened. Okay. So cannot merge separate physical regions. This means that I'm trying to double free something? World destroy. It must happen in the world destroy. Because it destroys the shaders. No, then must happen after that. Double 3Ds. Yeah. Well, that's the hypothesis. I'm not sure it's that. Because cannot merge separate physical regions. It's not very explanatory. What the heck does it mean? In VMA error, what does mean? Two allocations are freed and VMA tries to merge them into a single free block efficiently. However, this allocation don't belong to the same parent. This mismatch means that VML logic detects inconsistency and throws an assertion. Correct? What? How to fix it? Ensure every free memory calls a matching. So let's see when does this happen. Just open it and then close it. Nothing happens. Okay. Do you pay for GPT Pro? No? Am I using GPT Pro? Is this GPT Pro? No, that's just a dumbass GPT. Oh wait, what? Why is it not happening now? That's very random. Oh, it is actually GPT Pro. It just fixed my error. It's so smart that it just fixed it by itself. See? It's gone. That is so glorious. No, I don't pay. Thanks, buddy. I'm just gonna waste tokens. Thanks, buddy. You just fixed the issue without even trying. You are amazing. You'd like to know it. It's running GPT Pro. It's running GPT Pro. So, okay, here you go. But so what in the hell? How does this even happen? Yeah, I don't know. As long as it doesn't hallucinate too much, good to me. It is free. I mean, I don't pay. I hope it's just not getting money from me without me knowing. Was that clean? Wait, I just missed what happened. So that was clean. Running. So close it, and it's fine. Close it, and it's fine. Close it, and it's fine. Okay, so as soon as I move, I think that happens. Or maybe it has to finish loading. So let it finish loading. Close it. No, that's still fine. Let's move a little bit. And nothing happens. What if I move a sector? Am I moving? Yeah, it should be moving. How's it? What the? Ah! Oh. Okay. Okay, chunks manager destroy. Chunks manager, it's joining, it's saving, destroying the chunks. Do chunks. Let's see, chunks. So chunks have buffers, okay. And for each buffer, just free it, okay. That is, oh, wait. Free. But only free if it's an actual buffer. Buffer, that's the buffer. Sub free. Okay, if it actually exists. You do the free. And when chunks are destroyed, chunk mesh. World of chunks. This is annoying. Falling. And nothing happens. How is it not deterministic? What the heck? Okay, let's just do random shit now. Close. And it doesn't happen. Don't think I touched anything. Okay, I'm gonna just leave it like this. That was clean. Oh, wait. That was not clean. Let's quickly attach the debugger so we can stop at the breaking point. Attach to process CE. Windows. So we can attach that and then push retry. Garbage collector is freaking out. Why? So as soon as this disconnected, the garbage block is already free. Haha. Okay, this is much more explanatory. The block is already free. And that must be the block in the server. Player. So this guy here, cube.destroy. It's already free. Bro, what are you doing? Stuck. Sea lion stuck. Yeah, low memory. I think I shouldn't keep two of them open at the same time. I already gave you 8 gigabytes. What do you want more? And the webcam's gone. Uh-oh. Everything is falling apart. Uh-oh, that's not good. That's not very good. Come on, bro. You can make it. Oh well. I guess it's time to end the stream. This is a clear message. Alright. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.